the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the Accredited Medical Organization of the Philippines, and I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent myself as a registered and licensed physician. So help me God. Congratulations.
Congratulations.